Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Podcast English channel. I'm Emily.
And I'm Alex. Hi, everybody. We are so happy you are here today.
Yes, thank you for listening. Today's episode is very special.
Oh, yes, super special. Because today we are talking about something that everyone struggles with sometimes.
Yes, staying focused on your goals.
Goals.
Big dreams, small dreams.
And sometimes we start very excited.
And then we feel tired.
Or distracted.
Or we just want to watch Netflix instead.
In this episode, you will learn what focus really means, why it is hard to stay focused, simple and real tips to help you, easy stories you can learn from.
So please relax, get a drink, and enjoy today's podcast. Before we start,
Please don't forget to follow our podcast
subscribe to our channel.
and share this episode with your friends.
Okay, let's begin. Alex, simple question.
Okay, I'm ready.
What does stay focused mean?
Good question.
Yes. Think simple.
For me, stay focused means you keep your mind on one thing.
Yes.
You don't think about many other things.
Mm-hmm.
You give your time and energy to one important goal.
That's a great explanation. What about you, Emily? For me, staying focused means I don't give up easily.
Ah,
Even when I feel tired, even when I feel bored, I try again.
that's beautiful.
Now, let's be honest.
Oh, very honest.
Why is it so hard to stay focused?
Because life is full of distractions.
Yes,
Phones,
social media,
messages,
games,
notifications.
bing, bing. And sometimes our own thoughts distract us.
Like fear
Doubt,
and negative self-talk.
like, I'm not good enough.
Or this is too hard.
We've all felt that. Alex, can you share a real story?
Oh, yes, I have a good one.
Let's hear it.
When I started learning English,
Okay,
I was very excited at first.
of course.
I studied every day for 1 week.
That's great.
Then I felt tired.
Uh-oh.
I skipped 1 day,
Mm-hmm.
then 2 days,
Oh, no.
and then 1 week became 1 month.
What happened?
I lost my focus
Why?
because my goal was too big.
Ah.
I said, I want to be fluent in 1 month.
That's very hard.
Yes, so I felt disappointed.
What did you learn?
I learned to make small goals.
Okay, let's teach this to our listeners.
Tip number 1, make small, clear goals.
For example,
Don't say, I want to speak perfect English.
say, I will learn 5 new words today.
Or, I will practice speaking for 5 minutes.
Small goals are easy.
And they make you feel happy.
Let me share a story.
I love your stories.
When I wanted to start exercising,
Oh,
I said, I will go to the gym every day.
that's big.
I went 1 day. Second day, very tired.
3rd day, I didn't go.
Then I felt bad.
What changed?
I made a smaller goal.
What was that?
I will walk for 10 minutes every day.
That's good.
Now I can focus better. Let's talk about routines.
Yes,
A routine is something you do every day.
like brushing your teeth.
Or eating breakfast,
If you make your goal part of your routine,
it becomes easier.
example,
After breakfast, I study English for 10 minutes.
after dinner, I read 1 page of a book.
Now, the hard part.
Mm,
Distractions.
put your phone away,
Turn off notifications.
find a quiet place.
Even 10 minutes of deep focus is powerful.
We received a message from a listener.
Oh, I love listener stories. Her name is Lena.
Hi, Lena.
She said, I wanted to learn English, but I always felt lazy.
What did she do?
She studied only 5 minutes every day.
Just 5?
Yes, after 3 months,
She felt more confident.
small steps, big results.
This one is very important.
Yes,
You will have bad days.
you will feel tired.
You may miss one day.
That's okay.
Don't say, I'm a failure.
Say, I will try again tomorrow. If you are listening right now,
We want to tell you something.
you are capable.
You are strong.
You are not alone.
We believe in you.
Let's recap.
Number 1, make small, clear goals.
Number 2, create a daily routine.
Number 3, remove distractions.
Number 4, be kind to yourself. We are so proud of you for listening today.
You took time to improve yourself.
That is powerful.
Remember,
One small step every day.
can change your life.
If you enjoyed this episode,
Please follow our podcast
subscribe to our channel.
and share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you so much. See you next time.
Bye-bye.